Hello guys, welcome to A3 Tech channel once again. Today I'll be reviewing the site called SocialRebel. From my research, the site has been paying a lot of people to click and test apps and do some other surveys. Most of the information I got from my research says it's legit, so I jump on it quickly. I signed up some days ago. You can see this SocialRebel, my account is logged in, my real details. You get paid for every click, you get paid for invitees, then you get paid for completing over, and you get paid for posting on Facebook. So when you click here, this is where the offer center is. You can see you earn 25% bonus from your invitees. These are the offers, these are the apps, some apps that I need to sign up to in order to get paid. So the moment I do this, they give me some token. You can see social pay. You can also upload on Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, YouTube. Now this video is going to be a part 1 of the SocialRebel review. The part 2 will be coming after I successfully made my withdrawal, because by the time I go back home and I say okay, I want to cash out the money, it tells me it gives me a warning that I didn't meet up the withdrawal criteria. I already set my withdrawal here. I can update the method to my Bitcoin wallet. I can update it, especially the PayPal is assisted, Cash App is assisted, Zelle, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and mail check. You could get a check and cash it out over the counter, but I don't need that. I'm just going to stick with my Bitcoin. You can see now, to prevent cheating or spamming, you must meet up the following requirements for the first cash out. This is why it's tedious. It was 250 before, but they later updated it to 200, I believe, because people are not meeting up with this charges. So if I click on cash out now, you see the warning. Okay, you see, to ensure you aren't cheating the system with multiple accounts or submitting faking bonus stats, to make sure you get to most of the after your first payment is fully paid, you won't have to meet any requirements. Please understand, as we do pay a lot of money, we want to make sure every action is authentic. So they are trying to make sure this is not something you can really cheat on them, and you can't. If you try it, you would not. For example, if you're asked to test the app and you try to re-download it and you reinstall it, it's not going to work. SocialRebel has something in place to monitor that, to monitor cheats. You don't need to cheat when a site is paying you so much for doing less on your smartphone. So I will be ending this video here for now. You can see now it's telling me new payment sent. Joan was just paid via Ethereum, but these are just repeats. I believe they are repeats. Until I make my withdrawal and you can see my name there, then I would say, oh cool. So this video has really helped you. Kindly click on the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.